Hey everybody, Casey at PDX Wraps. Today we finished up a pretty cool project. It's the second one we've done for a company called Northwest Techies. We came up with a cool design, designed by our designer Chris. We printed some hexagon shapes on 3M Printable Metallic, which turns out really cool for the base color. We did some gloss black drop shadows. We did some satin Caribbean shimmer that we laminated in gloss for some of the text also on this. So there's multi-layers on this vehicle. All in all, there's a lot going on in this car, and the coolest thing about it is the guy that gets to drive this thing. I mean, how cool is it to be able to drive around in a 5-liter Mustang for your company car? It includes satin Caribbean shimmer, that we laminated in gloss. It's got a laminated gloss Caribbean satin shimmer, laminated with a gloss. No, I'm just looking, okay. It's got 3M Printable Metallic base that we designed a cool hexagon design. Next, we added some satin Caribbean shimmer. Not only...
Got satin Caribbean shimmer, laminated gloss.
Yeah, okay. Okay, all right, here we go.
Satin.
Okay. We took satin Caribbean... I can't say satin Caribbean shimmer. We took satin Caribbean shimmer, we laminated it with gloss, and we stuck it on the roof. So it's got, you know, not your normal gloss black roof. It's got a colored roof with a logo on top of that.
Is it a Caribbean shimmer?
Caribbean.
Oh my.
Quiet on set. I'm going to try to do some one shot. Okay.
Or scare it out or
Okay.
whatever.
The coolest part about this project is the guy who gets to drive this car now with a cool wrap in it. It's got some funky mechanism in there that...
It's next we laminated satin
Yeah, okay.
Caribbean shimmer
Okay.
and gloss.
Yep. Next, we took satin Caribbean shimmer, we laminated it with gloss to give it a cool custom look. We put that on the roof and we use that for some of the text. The coolest part is this guy gets to roll around in a 5-liter Mustang with a sweet wrap on it.